In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Generative. Fill for free, no Photoshop required. We're using Adobe Firefly right in your web browser, so there's nothing to install and no paid Photoshop subscription needed for this. Generative Fill lets you add, replace, or remove parts of an image using simple text prompts, and the browser version makes it quick and approachable. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly. Look for the official Adobe Firefly result and click through to the site. Once you're on the Firefly homepage, choose the Generate option to enter the creation area. From there, pick Generative Fill. This is the tool designed specifically for editing parts of an existing image with AI. Next, upload the image you want to edit. You can drag and drop or use the Upload button. For best results, choose a clear image where the subject is easy to see and the lighting looks natural. Higher quality images generally produce more convincing fills. When your image loads, use the brush to highlight the area you want to change. In this example, the hat. Zoom in so you can be precise and adjust the brush size for detailed edges. Aim to cover only the hat, leaving a tiny margin where it meets hair, skin, or background to help the AI blend the result naturally. If you paint too much, use the eraser to clean up the selection. A tidy selection usually leads to better, more realistic edits. Now add your prompt. A strong, clear prompt could be: replace the hat with a detailed helmet that fits naturally on the character's head. The helmet should match the lighting, angle, and style of the original image, with realistic textures and seamless integration. Keep your wording specific about what you want and mention lighting, angle, and style so the AI knows how to blend it into the scene. Click Generate and let Firefly create options. You'll typically see multiple variations. Review them closely. Check how the edges blend into hair and skin, whether the shadows and highlights match the scene, and if the perspective looks correct. If something feels off, refine your selection or adjust the prompt, then generate again. Small tweaks like clarifying matte black helmet, sleek sci-fi design with Stacy, or worn metallic texture can nudge the result in the right direction while maintaining realism. And that's it. You've used Adobe Generative Fill for free in your browser to transform an image with a simple text instruction. No Photoshop required.